Yan. Okay, Game Masters on your cue.
Okay, are you ready? Explain ko lang yung mechanics ha.
Bawo?
Explain ko again. So yung mga boys, hawakan lang nila yung bang. Then ang mga girls, kayo yung magbabang. Isang kamay lang, only one hand.
Sir, tinanong niyo ba yung mga lalaki kung gusto nila isang kamay? Baka kasi gusto nila dalawang kamay. Tanungin naman natin sila. Okay, wherever you're comfortable.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start na ha. Wait na, demo na muna, demo. Lagi pa si Loki. O, demo. Demo muna. Ma'am Apple and Miguel. Para makita nila. Sige, try na.
Wow! Mabilis! Magaling! Suwabe!
Kilo. And the two. Ngayon po lang, dalawa.
Sa likod.
Kilo.
Sige na, let's start na. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Pagod ko ano. Right?
Mukhang meron tayong tie! Yes! Hindi lang kamay ang gumagalaw! Whole body! Special participation! Grabe ang taas-taas sa kantigas!
Okay!
Tayong-tayo ang kay Sir na naka-blue balloon!
Parang kayo.
Okay, we'll count in 5 seconds. Kailangan matapos at tamaasan ng balloon. Tuloy-tuloy po tayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, and... Oy! Pumutok! Congratulations! Yun, successful pag pumutok. Okay, so prima, sino may pinakamataas, matigas, at mataas na balloon? Yung pumutok. Okay. Congratulations! Ang galing mapaputok nila. For 1,000 pesos, congratulations!
Ano yan?
Please claim your prize. Akalain mo, nag-enjoy ka na, sir. May 1,000 pesos ka pa.
Congratulations, guys!
Congratulations! Ito ang ating everyday siya malakas mapaputok with a special participation of the whole body. Hindi lang ang kamay. Now on to our next raffle. 1 kettle and 2 glassware. Bubunutin na po natin for the first glassware winner is Ruby Rose Carpio. Congratulations on Ruby Rose. R.R. Carpio. Yan. For glassware. And next up is Rizan Akuda Chap. You'll bring home a kettle. Kettle for Rizan Akuda Chap. And lastly, another kettle is for Ben Lavinia. Alan Lavinia, where are you? Come join us here. Naka-duty. Ibibigay pa rin natin kay Sir Alan. Why not? Deserve. Na-deserve niya. Ang kanyang kettle tonight.
Okay pa ta. Enggak.
As you can see, everyone, beautiful people, we still have a lot of prizes, raffle prizes to give away